Did you know National Pizza Day is coming up? So
Yes.
we're going to celebrate early.
Yes, I did. Joining us now with some tips to make your own is Matthew Rusconi from Artichoke Basille's Pizza in Hartford. Nice to see you guys. How are you?
We're doing well. How are you guys?
We're so excited you're here because even though you're not in the studio, we can smell and taste the pizza.
Yeah, we're ready to make up an artichoke pizza for you guys.
All right, let's see it.
All right. So we start here, and we're just so you know, Artichoke Pizza is at downtown Hartford, and started in New York City back in 2008. And what made them famous is what we're going to make right now is the artichoke pizza.
I love
So
artichokes.
we start with the. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh, I said I love artichokes.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate that. All right, so we start with our artichoke sauce. We make this in-house. It's their famous recipe from Fran and Sal's family. So we start now. We take about 3 scoops. We have our dough. Look at that. This we'll put it in the middle here. You want to get enough on this, right? Get that creamy pizza here. Then we're going to just kind of spread it out all over our dough. This. There we go. Right there. All right, a little more. Touch it up. Go with this.
Yum. Yum.
Yeah, it's tasty. All right, then we add our cheese. We prefer polio cheese. However, if you want to try to make this at home, you know, any fresh mozzarella will do. Take this here, spread it all over. Kind of want to taste every bite. This is the goal. Okay.
Okay.
There we go. All right. Then we take our fresh artichoke. We're going to squeeze. You want to get the water out of them, right? Get out first. Okay. And then we peel off the leaves there. Kind of spread it around. Like that over here. Kind of break up the heart and kind of spread that around right there. This. Okay. And yeah. There we go. I'll spin around. And then the final ingredient on this artichoke pizza is we take our fine pecorino cheese, kind of make it snow all over. Right there. And next stop is in the oven. And that's kind of the secret to artichoke is we have these, these hot stone ovens, so we can get that crust very crispy. And that's the goal of every pizza here. Now, if you want to try to make one of these pizzas at home, you can go to Home Depot and get some quarry tile. You heat up your oven, put the quarry tile on the bottom rack, heat up the oven to about 500, 600 degrees, preheat it for about an hour. And then you put the dough on the quarry tiles and you can try to replicate that crispy crust that you get from artichoke pizza.
Wow, okay.
And,
Quarry tile.
Yeah, it's a good tip. Now, I'm going to show you some of our other pies that we feature. When the artichoke comes out, this is your finished product here. And we serve slices down here in Hartford, as well as, 18-inch pies and personal pies and appetizers. But these are some of our staples. You got the artichoke. You got our pepperoni. Here's our Staten Island. That's our cooked sauce, meatballs, red onions, and ricotta cheese. Here's our margarita with our plum tomato sauce, which is made in-house. Some basil, fresh mozzarella, olio mozzarella, and grana padano as a garnish. And over here is our vodka Sicilian pie. This is delicious. It's on a twice baked pie, and it's a little thicker than your regular pie. And you can try to do that at home as well if you like. You just go out and get yourself a one of these pans here, and buy some dough and spread it. You put a lot of oil on the pan first. Spread the dough over it, and then you don't need to put this one on the stone. And if you want to accentuate it, here's our box salad, our house box salad. So
Isn't that beautiful?
we got a lot.
Great. I like that it comes
we'd
in a
love to
box.
see people down in Hartford.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we can pick up from 114 Asylum. Could you get it delivered if you want to?
Yeah, so you can go to artichokepizza.com. You can get delivery, order online, and deliver it that way. And we're also on all the third-party apps: Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, CT Dine In. So we can bring it to you too.
Look for Artichoke Basille then on your next, Uber Eats or DoorDash order. That's great.
All right, thank you, Matthew. We appreciate it.
One last.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say one last tip. If you get a slices and you want to heat it up and get that crust crispy at home, take a frying pan and put it on medium heat. You put the slice in the frying pan, cover it, and you're gonna get you bring the crust back to life, crispy as if you got it in a restaurant.
Oh, way better than the microwave, which makes it chewy.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, there's a